Can you move back? Oh, one in there.
Just careful his claws.
Don't fire. Can you get water out of my car? Get me.
Do you want to put him in the blanket and bring him out of the
Yeah,
hot
we are.
stuff?
Just want to get this room. And I'll Here's some more water. Do you want more? We've got heaps. Alright. We'll get going in a second.
Okay.